Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Destructive opening batsman Chris Gayle is among 4 Jamaicans called up to the Windies' 14-member squad to play England in the first 2 one-day internationals at the Kensington Oval in Barbados. Gayle, who has scored the most centuries by a West Indian in the ODI format with 23, makes a return to the team after snubbing the tour of India and Bangladesh in favor of the Afghanistan Premier League. He's joined by fellow countrymen Rovman Powell, Fabian Allen and Shane Thomas, with Marlon Samuels left out due to a knee injury. The Windies selectors have also recalled Evan Lewis, who opted out of the India tour due to personal reasons, while Trinidadian left-handed Nicholas Pooran earns a maiden ODI call-up. The first 2 matches of the series will be played at Kensington Oval on February 20 and 22. The full squad reads Captain Jason Holder, Fabian Allen, Devendra Bishu, Darren Bravo, Chris Gayle, Shimron Hetmeyer, Shea Hope, Evan Lewis, Ashley Nurse, Kima Paul, Nicholas Pooran, Rovman Powell, Kamar Roach and Shane Thomas.